Oxo acids of phosphorus. Phosphorus forms many number of oxo acids. Some important compound we will discuss here. First, the phosphenic acid, that is or hypophosphorus acid. The formula is H3PO2. Here, the oxidation state of this phosphorus is +1. And we will see the structure later. And the preparation of this phosphorus is white phosphorus react with alkali. You will be getting this compound, that is phosphenic acid or hypophosphorus acid. Then the second one is phosphonic acid or orthophosphorus acid. The formula is H3PO3. Here the phosphorus, the oxidation status +3. And this the characteristics, all these phosphorus, the oxo acids of phosphorus having one POH bond, at least contains one POH bond. That will discuss later. That means they decide the basicity of the compound. Here the preparation of this compound P2O3, phosphorus trioxide, react with water, you will be get that phosphonic acid or orthophosphoric acid. Then pyrophosphoric acid, the formula is H4P2O5. This is pyrophosphoric acid, and the phosphorus oxidation state of the phosphorus +3. And the reaction, the preparation like PCl3 react with H3PO3 phosphonic acid, you will be getting this pyrophosphorus acid. Then hypophosphoric acid, the formula is H4P2O6. This is hypophosphoric acid, hypophosphoric, not pyro, hypophosphoric acid. Here the oxidation status +4 for phosphorus. And the preparation of this compound is red phosphorus react with alkali. This reactive, that is P2O3 and H2O. This is white phosphorus. White phosphorus react with alkali. So this is the common preparation methods of the compound. Then orthophosphoric acid, or simply phosphoric acid, H3PO4. Here the oxidation state of the phosphorus is +5. And the preparation of this compound is phosphorus pentoxide, that is the dimer form of the phosphorus pentoxide P4O10 react with water, you will be getting this compound. And pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. Here the oxidation state of the compound for phosphorus is +5, and the preparation matter, phosphoric acid heating. The phosphoric acid can heat, that is phosphoric acid and heating, you will be getting this pyrophosphoric acid. And the metaphosphoric acid, HPO3 n times. This is also +5 oxidation state of this phosphorus. And the preparation method is phosphorus acid react with the bromine water on heating in a sealed tube. You will be get this, the metaphosphoric acid. So phosphorus acid react with bromine water and heating in a sealed tube. So you will be get metaphosphoric acid. So this is the simple, the very important compounds of the oxo acids of the phosphorus. Number of oxo acids are there, we will discuss here, and some structures also we will learn here. Oxo acids of phosphorus structure. The first structure is H3PO2. This is hypophosphorus acid or phosphenic acid. The structure we can write first. The trick is that this is all these phosphorus oxoacid of phosphorus structure tetrahedral in manner, so that just draw it like this, just P and draw the tetrahedral manner simply like. Then the number of hydrogen and the number of oxygens also you have to count. So the number of hydrogen is what? 3. Just put 3 hydrogen, and the number of oxygen is what? 2 oxygen. So that one oxygen will be here and another one oxygen is here. Then you have to satisfy the valence of the phosphorus and oxygen. Here the hydrogen is balanced and then oxygen also valence is satisfied, so you have to put a double bond here. Now it will become a perfect structure of the hypophosphorus acid. Then H3PO3. The H3PO3, just same way you have to follow. Just write a phosphorus here, the least atom you are going to write here, then just draw a tetrahedral manner like this, and the remaining is 3 hydrogen and 3 oxygen. So 3 hydrogen and 3 oxygen. So oxygen, oxygen, and one more oxygen you have to write like this. So remaining what? The oxygen only should satisfy. So just put a double bond here. Now this is orthophosphorus acid or phosphenic acid. Then H3PO4, phosphoric acid. H3PO4 is orthophosphoric acid, also called orthophosphoric acid. Just write a simple way, one phosphorus and just like a tetrahedral manner. Then remaining, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 3 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. So put 4 oxygen first, then 3 hydrogen. So you have to write 3 hydrogen like this. So remaining double bond you have to write. So this is called orthophosphoric acid. Then pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid is H4P2O7. This is pyrophosphoric acid. The structure first, the similar way you have to draw 2 phosphorus acid phosphorus compounds are there. Just write a like 2 phosphorus atom like this, and just draw a tetrahedral manner. Again the same way you have to follow here also. 1, 2, 3. How many oxygen atoms are there? How many hydrogen atoms are there? You want to see. So here 4 hydrogen atom and 7 oxygen atom. First fill the 7 oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th one you have to put here. Then hydrogen atom. The number of hydrogen atom is 4. So you have to put the 4 hydrogen atom. The 4 hydrogen atom here you can write hydrogen and one more hydrogen here. Similar way here also OH, OH. Then this double bond. So this is called pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. Then the fifth one is cyclometaphosphoric acid and polymetaphosphoric acid. You can write. See, first that is HPO3 thrice. So here 3 phosphorus atom, 3 hydrogen atom and 9 oxygen atoms are present here. So you have to right, sorry, 6 oxygen atom. Yes, 6, not 9 oxygen atom. So just write like this, phosphorus, just connect with, look like a benzene structure, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen. How many? 3 phosphorus atom, 3 oxygen atoms are present here. Then just write oxygen, just put here like this. In all bond you have to write the oxygen atom, 2, 4, 6. So 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 oxygen atoms are over. Remaining is how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. Just put a hydrogen, 1, 2 and 3. Then remaining you have to balance, that is valency should satisfy double bond and double bond. So this is called cyclometa phosphoric acid structure. The similar way polymeta phosphoric acid also, the same way you have to follow, HPO3 n times. This structures like going like this, phosphorus, just write a tetrahedral manner, then phosphorus, tetrahedral manner, phosphorus, just like a tetrahedral manner. So connecting of these two bond with oxygen, and here also the same way you have to follow. Then oxygen, this n time, so that's going on. Here also the n times going on like this. Then one double bond O put here and one OH here, one OH, double bond O. So here also the same way, double bond O and OH. So this is called polymeta phosphoric acid. So this is the oxo acids of phosphorus structures. Structures like this is the all oxo acids of phosphorus compounds are tetrahedrally surrounded by other atoms. These acid contain at least, look here, one P double bond O in all compounds. At least one P double bond O is present in all compounds. The similar way, and at least one POH bond also present here. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, like this. So this means the oxo acid which phosphorus has a lower oxidation state, like less than +5. Less than +5 means like H3PO2. The H3PO2, this having the pH bond in H4P2O6. There is one, the PP bond is present, but not in the both case. Okay, so these acid, the +3 oxidation state, the phosphorus tend to the disproportionate reactant to higher and the lower oxidation state. For example, here the orthophosphorus acid on heating disproportionate to give the orthophosphoric acid for the and phosphine reaction. The phosphorus acid react with this to give that is on heating you will be getting phosphoric acid and the phosphine. Here the acid which contains one pH bond, that is the pH bond having a strong reducing properties. So the hypophosphorus acid is a good reducing agent, and the two pH bonds as reduced for example in AgNO3, that is silver nitrate. The silver nitrate react with silver nitrate solution react with this H3PO2, the hypophosphorus acid, to give silver nitric acid HNO3 and the phosphoric acid H3PO4. So here these pH bonds are not ionizable and to give H plus ion and do not play an role in basicity. So the only those hydrogen atoms which are attached to with the oxygen in the POH form the ionizable and cause the basicity. Okay. So H3PO3 and H3PO4. This is basicity is 2 and 3 because of 2 OH bond is present here and 3 OH bond is present here. So that this is 2 basicity and this is 3 basicity compounds. Then we will discuss the group 16 element next class.